Hi friends, Standard 6, General Science, Disaster Management, and now part 2. Last part we have discussed about natural disaster. In this part we are going to deal with man-made disaster. Now what is meant by man-made disaster? When human action responsible for large-scale damage to life, property and social aspect of a nation is called a man-made disaster. In the last part we have seen that. Now, what are the kinds of man-made disaster? The first one is accident or collapse of building, bomb explosion, leakage of chemical gases, fire, terrorism, accident, stampede, etc. Here are the examples we can see. We can see the effects of these man-made disasters too. Now, collapse of building. As per survey, there are reasons for collapse of buildings are the foundation are too weak, material are not strong enough, workers mistake, load is heavier than expected, and the strength isn't tested. So this accident will happen. Second, bomb explosion. For nuclear tests, sometimes explosion happen, and in war also it's used by soldiers. Bomb explosion, leakage of chemical gases, as we have seen that in Bhopal gas tragedy happened in 1984 and Kolkata 2011. So chemical accidents happens mostly in companies or factories because chemical was stored there for their day-to-day function. Next is fire. Incident of fire mainly caused due to overheating, short circuit, etc. and it frequently occurs. Next is terrorism. A group of terrorism attacks that took place in 2008. They carried out a series of 12 coordinated shooting and bombing attacks lasting 4 days across Mumbai. Now accident. Every day we are watching, reading the news of transport accident. It's also frequently occurs. Now stampede. Stampede means a sudden panic rush of people or animal. The reason were different, sometimes because of rumors, sometimes because of care. So all were running here and there. So recent example was stampede happened Elphinstone station. This picture was from Elphinstone station bridge only. So Elphinstone station on bridge, this stampede happened.